everyone, this is what you do with fluffy slime.
Ah, I'm drinking that.
Where were you?
Oh,
Was.
round 2.
Nice and warm.
Alright, welcome back to my channel, everyone. This is what you do with fluffy slime. Okay. So, if you want to make a bubble in your slime, you need to first put a straw through it, surround it with the slime, and then blow. And then you have this huge air bubble, like right there. Also, episode 5 will be coming out tomorrow, and then we'll be starting the new video. New season, I mean. Poking at the back. Seriously. Thank you guys for watching this. This is Bubble Fluffy Slime. Bye!